Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am finally home. My vacation at the sea was wonderful. I saw dolphins, I went on a yacht, and I swam in the blue water. But now, the vacation is over. I opened my front door and I saw a very big and very unpleasant surprise. My house is completely dirty. I was away for 2 weeks and I forgot to clean before I left. It is a disaster. There is gray dust on all the wooden tables and the television. There are old newspapers, letters, and junk mail all over the floor in the hallway. In the kitchen, the situation is even worse. There are dirty plates, sticky coffee cups, and silver spoons in the sink. Oh my goodness! I cannot relax. I cannot sit, and I cannot sleep in a dirty house. My house must be perfect. So, today is my official cleaning day. I have a lot of work to do, and I am going to do it all by myself. I start my morning very early, at 8 a.m. The sun is coming through the windows, but it shows all the dirt. First, I go to my closet. I put on my old t-shirt and my comfortable leggings. These are my work clothes. Then, I put on a pair of bright yellow rubber gloves to protect my hands. The living room smells a little bit old and dusty because the windows were closed for 14 days. I walk to the windows and open them wide. I want to let in the fresh, cool morning air. Ah, that is better. Next, I take my soft, blue duster. I start at the top and move down. I clean the high bookshelves, the picture frames on the wall, the lamps, and the television screen. There is so much dust that I start to sneeze. Achoo! After dusting, the floor is still dirty. I take the vacuum cleaner out of the storage room. I plug it into the wall and start. Vroom, vroom. I move the vacuum cleaner over the big rug and the carpet. I go under the sofa and behind the chairs. It is a big job. Finally, I pick up all the old papers from the floor and put them in the recycling bin outside. The living room looks 50% better now. At 10:30 a.m., I move to the kitchen. This is definitely the hardest and most difficult part of the day. The kitchen is a real mess. I start with the dishes. I turn on the hot water and use a lot of liquid soap. I wash every single plate, every glass, every bowl, and every spoon. I scrub them until they are perfect. After washing, I dry them carefully with a clean, dry dish towel. I open the cupboards and put everything back in its place. Now, the sink is empty and clean. But I am not finished. I need to clean the stove and the kitchen table. There are coffee stains on the table and grease on the stove. I use a yellow sponge and a strong cleaning spray that smells like lemons. I scrub very hard. My arms are tired, but I don't stop. Now the kitchen surfaces are shiny and the whole room smells fresh. At 1 p.m., I am a little bit tired. I want to sit down, but I have more work. I go to the bedroom. I look at my bed. The sheets and the pillowcases look old and dusty. I take them off the bed and carry them to the laundry room. I open the washing machine and put the sheets inside. I add a scoop of laundry detergent. This soap smells like spring flowers. I press the start button and the machine begins to spin. While the machine is working, I go back to the bedroom. I find new, white, clean sheets in the closet. I put them on the bed and fix the pillows. A clean bed with fresh sheets is the best feeling in the world. I am excited to sleep here tonight. At 2:30 p.m., I enter the bathroom. This is my least favorite job because it takes a long time. I take a sponge and scrub the sink, the big mirror, and the bathtub. I use a special spray to make the mirror sparkle. Then, I prepare a bucket of warm, soapy water. I take a big mop. I start at the corner of the bathroom and wash the tile floor. Then, I move to the kitchen and the hallway. I mop all the floors until they are wet and clean. I have to walk carefully so I don't slip and fall. At 4 p.m., the washing machine makes a beep beep sound. It is finished. I take out the wet sheets and carry them to the balcony. I hang them on the clothesline to dry in the sun. The wind is warm today, so they will be dry in 2 hours. Now, it is 5:30 p.m. I am finally finished. I am very tired, and my back hurts a little bit, but I am very happy. I walk slowly through every room. The living room is tidy and organized. The kitchen is sparkling and smells like lemons. The bedroom feels fresh. The bathroom tiles are white and shiny. I feel very proud of myself. Cleaning is hard work, but a clean home makes my mind feel calm. I go to the kitchen, make a hot cup of herbal tea, and sit on my sofa. I enjoy the silence and the beauty of my clean house. Vocabulary list for you: dirty, not clean, dust, small dirt on furniture, rubber gloves, to protect your hands, vacuum cleaner, a machine for the floor, laundry detergent, soap for clothes, mop, a tool to wash the floor with water, tidy, organized. Everything is in its place. Proud. Feeling good about your work. Friends, I want to know about your life. Please answer these questions in the comments. Do you clean your house every day or only on the weekend? What is your favorite room to clean? Do you like the smell of lemon or the smell of flowers for cleaning? Tell me your stories. It is a great way to practice your English writing. If you liked this long story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We love helping you learn English. Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your clean homes.